What's up, anyone? This is a special video. I have a new old stock AMD processor, and well, because it's new old stock and it's sealed, I figured that for the 3 people who care, I'll do a brand new unboxing of a 10-year-old processor. So this is the AMD A-series processor. This one is the A6-9500. I bought this because I needed to test a computer that had an AM4 socket, and I needed another AM4 processor. So this is the cheapest AM4 processor that you can buy on eBay right now that looks like it'll probably work out of the box. So that said, I'm going to go ahead and cut that beautiful sticker. It's going to hurt me a little bit. Oh, that's serious. Oh, I ripped the box, didn't I? I don't play around with that sticker. That's a serious sticker. It's got some... Alright. So, it said that I should have a cooler here, but the box is small, so... Oh yeah, I see that cooler. Yeah, that is... Alright, so let's look at this stuff first. We got installation instructions, warranty instructions. Yeah, that's fun. Oh, this is going to be one of those giant things that folds out like 7,000 times, isn't it? Uh-huh. Normally I wouldn't show off the instructions, but I don't know, 10 years from now when this is a rare processor, somebody might care. So that's the instructions if you want to install the heatsink. Alright. Wait, why didn't this... There we go. So let's take a look at this heatsink. Oh, this is pitiful. Wow, look at this thing. Oh, wow, okay. Thermal paste already on it. Nice. That's thermal paste, alright. Yep, I touched it. No-name fan, nice to see. We got some good multicolored cable. Yep, this is one of the heat sinks of all time. I'm just gonna put that back in its plastic enclosure if it'll go. Oh, did I put it around wrong? Well, no, I didn't. All right, that will never come out of that plastic ever again. Let's see what else we got. Oh, processor itself. There we go. We got our little sticker if we want to put it on the side of our case. And here is the processor. I'll open this bad boy up. Oh. Yeah. That's a brand new AM4 processor, all right. Look at those pins. I love me some pins. So pretty. All right. Well, that was it. For the 3 people on the internet or people in the future, I hope that this was in some way vaguely entertaining, or at least like a strange history lesson. Thanks.